Hi viewers, Amarnath kept small steps traded channel. If we live, we will live together. If we fall, we will fall together. So always I keep to say Euro and GBP both moves in a tandem. So today this was proving last couple of days also. So that's why I give this title. We will see in the chart. So today currency report. Before that we will see money mantra. You will either learn to manage money or the lack of it will manage you. That means if it doesn't know money management, money will manage you. That's what it can say. Very true. Okay, we start with the currency spotted, which is RBI reference rate. According to the RBI reference rate, today USD is 82 rupees 65 paise, GBP 103 rupees 93 paise, Euro 89 rupees 16 paise, Yen 56 rupees 58 paise. Currency feature. So see this Euro and GBP is closed negatively, almost the same percentage we can see. So that's why I said we together will fall or together will rise. Live. Okay, the JPY still it's keep on going in the downside, and USD plus 7 pieces closed positively today. I hope this channel, your video will be very suitable to you. So I request to subscribe this channel and give a like and share with your friends. Okay, next we'll move on to the currency charts. First we will say the USDINR. So USDINR today had a gap up of 5 paise. Then further see keep on it has gone upside only. If you see the yesterday closes 82 rupees 57 paise, opening 82 rupees 62. So at a point it has gone high 82.72, ended at 82.63 of 6 paise positively it has ended. So after the gap up it progressed further until if you see here it has progressed 82.72 we can see. So first 1 hour we should not take any trade because of the gap up. So there is no entry for the intraday is only you can say this is the entry we can see. If anybody has short entry here, if you see again quite while it again it came inside. So this is a decisive candle. So it is very closer to the entry where we had. So one has to close this. So it will be very negligible entry and exit. It just to cover the brokerage and a tea and samosa cost only. So after that, the entire day it was in the sideways movement and no further opportunities we can see. For positional traders, 1 hour start. So it clearly in the downtrend actually. So today also what it just 7 paise it has come up, but it didn't broke the 20 EMA. Didn't close above this EMA, so it is close to below to that. So this trend is still will continue. The USDINR also there is possibilities it will go for the downside only. Next we will see JPYINR. So JPYINR had a gap down of 12 paise gap down. So if you see the yesterday it was closed 56.82 at the opening 56.70. At a point the low is 56.58 and high is 56.75. At the end of the day minus 16.8 has closed. So if you see it was in almost sideways movement the entire day you can see. So there is no significant decisive entry for the intraday. Yes, if at all took the entry, only here there is a entry. So again immediately it has come down. So if you took the entry, VWAP will be the stop loss. Immediately trigger the stop loss with this no loss, no gain you can see. So after that there is only small candle. So it is better to wait for a quite big time. So only after this is here it has it touched that again where the entry and the exit point. But again the next candle has. So if this kind of happens, it's better to not trade. So the same thing to see the entire day is in sideways. So whatever the gap down, it completely maintained that the gap down you can see. For the positional traders, 1 hour start, the trend is still in the downside. So yesterday also I said the downtrend will continue. The same thing is happening. So if we see here, if the indicator said now it is yesterday I told it if the day minus dim is penetrating downside to the ADX, maybe the downfall maybe stops or maintain the sideways and then it will go upside. So it's signaling the same thing. So maybe it may go sideways until this monthly expiry. So after that, it will turn to the upside. There is a possibility that is from September 1st on we can expect that. So until then, it may go further downside or it will maintain the sideways. It will see how it performs in the subsequent days. GBPINR. He had a very big gap down of 80 paise gap down. Big gap down. The previous close is 107.76, open at 103.96, 80 paise clear gap down and closed at minus 51 points. So after the gap down, it was till 12:30. It was in the sideways. With the, if you see, this is 89 and this is 97. Just 7 paise it was in the sideways around till 12:30. So the entry, if you see, the entry only comes here. This is the entry point. Somehow the view up is not showing. It's okay. So for the day, positional traders, yesterday I told the trend will be continuing the downside only. The same thing happened, gap down, and still it is in the downside only. So don't take any long position. If anybody in the short position, just to keep the short position until the expiry. Another 1 day only. I told on Tuesday the expiry closes. So Monday you can wait and close the position. Okay, next we will see EURINR. If you see, this also had a gap down of 37 paise gap down. So previously it was closed 89.65, opening at 89.28, gap down of 37 rupees. At the end, if you see, minus 28 paise. So it's similar to the GPP. After the gap down, this the end. It was a sideways movement. Till 12:30, GPP was in sideways. Then it given the entry signal. But if you see in the case of euro, it giving the signal around 2:30 only. This is the entry signal we can see this place. If anybody took an entry here with the stop loss Viva, it's 89.20. It's closed at around 89.33, 34. We can say 15 paise you can capture here. For the positional trade is 1 hour chart, it is in the sideways, sorry, it is in the downside downtrend only. So don't take any long position here. And similarly, don't add the short position also, because the expiry is very much near. So don't add short position in the same expiry. So maybe after the expiry, there are possibilities it may turn on the upside. USDINR options. Okay. If you see the reference rate, RBI reference is today 80 to 65. Yesterday it was 80 to 66. So yesterday I told, based on this, yesterday clearly I told that there are a lot of possibilities. The expiry may close us at 80 to 50 and 80 to 75. Same thing had happened. So RBI reference is 80 to 65 today. But if you see here, you may think that this is where it is expiry. No, it will expire at this place between 80 to 50 and 80 to 75. Exactly at 80 to 65 is the RBI reference. This is closed at this place only. So this I will show in the chart also to confirm you. See, this is USDINR, today's expiry, the weekly expiry, 80 to 50 strike rate. If you see this, it has closed with 15 paise. That means from the strike price 15 paise, it is exactly 80 to 65. If you see the PE also, exactly 9 paise. From the strike price, it has closed 9 paise. So that means exactly at 80 to 65. So this is what it is also confirming. If you see the chart, same thing. So if you see here, it is 12:30. The trading has stopped. After that, there is no trading. So I keep on telling that only the currency expiries are happened at the 12:30, it not at the end of the day. Unlike Nifty, Bank Nifty, and commodities, M6 commodities, those expiries are happened at the end of the day. But currency, the expiry happened at mid of the day, 12:30 p.m. So after 12:30 p.m., the subsequent expiry contract only tradable. So this one have to keep in mind. Those are doing the currency trading. I am the boss, the US dollar. So what it is, still the trend is intact. It's decently moving in the channel. And if you see the weekly, yesterday I told there are possibilities it go in the upper side only. Similarly, it is confirming that. And I said this is the resistance 106. So on weekly basis, it may touch in the 106. It may happen another 1 week or 2 weeks, but there are a lot of possibilities it will touch this resistance 106. So it's a clearly saying that the trend is in the upside only. So this is all about currency. So this video is for learning purpose. Don't take any trading or investment decision based on this. Always do your own study analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of your SEBI registered advisor. Please subscribe and like the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.